How does acid deposition from air pollution damage ecosystems? Imagine a world where rain and snow are no longer just refreshing but also carry tiny, invisible chemicals that can quietly change the environment. That's what happens with acid deposition, often called acid rain. It begins when pollutants like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides are released into the air from factories and vehicles. These gases mix with water vapor in the atmosphere and from acids. When this acidic moisture falls to the ground in rain, snow, or even as dry particles, it can cause big problems for ecosystems. One of the main issues is that acid rain makes soils and water bodies more acidic. This change in pH can strip away vital nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and potassium from the soil. These nutrients are essential for plants to grow strong and healthy. When they are washed away, soils become less fertile and less able to neutralize future acid inputs. This weakens trees and plants, making them more prone to disease and slower to grow. Acid deposition also releases toxic metals like aluminum from soil minerals. Normally, aluminum stays locked in the soil, but under acidic conditions, it dissolves into water. When aluminum reaches lakes and streams, it becomes harmful to aquatic life. Fish and amphibians are especially vulnerable because aluminum damages their gills and disrupts their ability to reproduce. Many fish species cannot survive in waters with low pH and high aluminum levels, leading to declines or even local extinctions. The effects on aquatic ecosystems are especially serious. Acidic waters can prevent fish eggs from hatching and kill adult fish. As species disappear, the food web gets disrupted and biodiversity drops. Some lakes have lost all their fish populations because of acidification. Forests also suffer because acid rain damages leaves and needles, reducing photosynthesis. This weakens trees and makes them more vulnerable to pests and weather. Trees like sugar maple and red spruce have shown higher death rates in areas affected by acid rain. Excess nitrogen from acid deposition can overload ecosystems, causing nutrient imbalances. This nitrogen saturation can change which plants thrive and which die out, further disturbing the natural balance. Overall, acid deposition alters soil chemistry, harms plants and animals, and reduces biodiversity. These changes can ripple through ecosystems, affecting water quality, forest health, and wildlife populations. Understanding how acid rain damages ecosystems shows us why reducing air pollution is so important. Cutting back on emissions from factories and vehicles helps protect our environment. Restoring affected areas through methods like liming, adding materials to neutralize acidity, can help repair some of the damage. Protecting ecosystems from acid deposition is a key step toward a healthier, more sustainable planet.